Meaning of gloating.
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 Gloating. The term gloating refers to a feeling of satisfaction or pleasure at someone else's misfortune. It can be seen as an expression of smugness or triumph, often accompanied by gloating behavior such as bragging, taunting, or teasing. A person who is gloating may feel a sense of superiority or vindication over their perceived rival or enemy. However, this attitude is generally considered negative and unsportsmanlike, as it involves deriving pleasure from others' misery. Therefore, it is important to avoid gloating in order to maintain healthy relationships and social respect.